Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You should start by pausing the short right away. Tap or click the video area to stop playback. Once paused, check if the app is set to autoplay next short. This controls whether videos restart automatically. Make sure your device sound and notifications are set so you can act without distraction. If you want the short to stop permanently in this session, close the video overlay by tapping the back arrow or swiping down. This ends the current play instance and prevents immediate repeat. Once done pausing, go to the player controls or YouTube settings and disable autoplay. This prevents the next short from starting automatically. Make sure to clear the up next cue by swiping the short away or using the remove option. That deletes it from the immediate lineup. If personalized recommendations keep reloading similar content, sign out or switch accounts temporarily. This forces the app to stop serving that short pattern while you adjust preferences or block the channel responsible. To finish, block or hide the channel that pushed the short if you never want those videos again. Tap the channel name, choose hide or block. That removes future entries. If the short violates rules or repeats excessively, use report so YouTube can act. As a final measure, force stop or uninstall the app and restart your device. This clears any stuck playback processes. Troubleshooting tip: if playback resumes after relaunch, clear app cache and data. Then reapply the autoplay and blocking settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.